Kashnong Nongsder Haribhoi Kalapan Pai Kajing Songsi Makrao Halor Kajing Klat Kamakendit Jong Dr Ricky Syngkon Padai Nong Song Snong Nongsder Balang Rupang member of parliament Shalok Sabha National seat But Ubal Klat No Nin Kajan Meet Dr H Gordon Robert Hospital Nong Ba Shalong Nakaliang Kashnong Nang Ba Uba Jonas Lendem Rang Ba Snong Bat Uba Wan Lang Rambai Secretary Snong Gila Ong Bakadar Ba Snong Hi Barok Kawai Kapa Yakakarua Kubwa Snolem Shagibahiyang Masem Jong Dr Ricky Syngkon Bat Kiba Ong Ru Pakasnong Kandan Dingkat Lem Bat Kayeng Kasem Jongki Nakamanta Banyarap Hakibabun Kiliang Bat Kamtam Hakabai Day Bat Kasngi Ban lehniam khatduh Bat Ban Day Lashai Kasngi Arfui Trik Rupang Aja Apanrio
Snow Bani I Kumjo Kumukon Jo Balang Gajomi But Hagisnam Balik Noru Nirang Yai Peron Kami Hakabalang Gajomi Hagibun Gibenta Ilalong Nong Hikai Skupen Pau Hakla Gajong Balang Bailalong Ru Dekot Jong Kong Ti Balang Kakandon Hakabalang Present Pokse Dengan Iko Por Hachwa Bangin Ra in ga met ka jongi ban ibo sige yin ga bai it ban shong hang thi Nongsder ngi kwa ben late baga jengger khu ga jong play baga ji alam ga jong play oi ngi kong ga balang ngi diaw ga men sim ngi sosi ngi sopat ka donot mau ni o ubadong baka ya la ga jong ga balang boong yang i ga sam sau pun rio terus ngap jar tiap pi mengadai ublai isyanya
juk hat ie iba Ricky kapor kalong ka bekenja bat ka balakta ya ka download.
This in fact has come as a great shock to every single citizen of our state. Ricky was, of course, belonging to a particular political party, and he had won the elections with a thumping majority, but he was loved across party lines. And you can ask anybody, he was a person who would be talking to leaders across the region, across the dynamics of the politics in our state, and somebody who was very, very approachable and very, very acceptable by all. I think his greatest strength, apart from his commitment, apart from his deep knowledge, apart from his sincerity, was his simplicity and his humility. He was a good human being and a good person. I have had multiple occasions to speak to him, to spend time with him, and in every conversation that I had, his simplicity would stand out, and also his true commitment and passion and heart for the betterment of our people, for the betterment of the state as a whole, was what guided him during his political career. The one occasion I was mentioning earlier in the assembly, I was sharing with our august house that when he mentioned about a particular project or a work, he continued and followed it by saying that, "Sir, we should work together. Can we go together to meet the different ministers at the central government level so that we can all contribute towards the betterment of our society?" I think that one line speaks volumes about late Dr. Ricky Syngkon's heart, his mind, his passion, commitment, sincerity towards the state and its people. I had few occasions, as I said, where I met him, but those few occasions deeply touched me and left a very, very strong mark in my mind and in my heart. We will all truly miss him, and I express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. I pray to Almighty that He may give them strength, and I pray to Almighty that his soul may rest in eternal peace.
So how do you see him as a person?
Ruble, mah? Dahil kinuwi pagbeban mo sa mga tao, namyo nila kung mag-ibig sa mga kapasal sa ibig sa mga napakot. Tadi balik ke dekat, mah? Dekat sosial, ada lupalan dan sisi makan berarti berapa kisah tu? Dia ada di dalam mah?
Yang sinet itu itu mereka tam cek pendiri ini kam kini dalam agak cek pendiri itu dekat Malaysia untuk program long sekri pada jengki kejungan keberit kata yang don penong Dr Ricky Syngkon isim di isu seperti isim di long isu cek pendiri itu kam saja isu seperti baik parlimen yang kedua kata kecil, agak tinggi beri kecil.